Thank you for staying. The results, the final tally of candidates isn't available yet because we still have some filers who were able to beat the deadline. But I'll give that to you presently. But for now, the chairman would like to address you.
Magandang hapon po sa inyo lahat. Una-una, gusto kong pasalamatan ang lahat ng mga tumulong para kumbaga, maging maayos itong ating proseso ng pagpa-file ng Certificate of Candidacy. No? And I would like to thank my colleagues in the COMELEC, both here in the main office as well as in the field offices. I would like to thank the volunteers who helped us out, yung ating pong mga kasama sa Philippine National Police, tsaka sa MMDA for preserving order outside and also for maintaining traffic. Kahit na paano, even the weather cooperated with us. No? Dahil nakita nyo naman, bumuhos after 5 p.m. Pero of course, gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang ating mga kaibigan sa media dahil kahit na paano, nag-cooperate. May konting konting mga... But again, that's part and parcel of the job, and I do recognize na mahirap din ang trabaho nyo. No? So overall, as I said, we're very pleased with the outcome. I think we were able to preserve the festive atmosphere. Diba? Yung malapiestang kapaligiran, pero mas maayos yung proseso. At yun naman talagang gusto namin gawin. No? Tsaka hopefully nga, again, we will continue to improve upon our processes, learning from the lessons of this week. Okay, so alam nyo, ang gusto ko lang talagang i-plug ngayon yung ating huling hirit na kampanya. Napakahalaga po yan, no? So sa susunod na 2 linggo, October 17 to 31, is aming huling hirit campaign in order to entice our voters to register or to validate their biometrics. COMELEC offices as well as satellite registration centers all over the Philippines will be open for 12 hours for the next 2 weeks because we are really bending over backward to try and entice our voters to register because we really believe that having a good voter turnout will strengthen our democracy. In fact, nakakatuwa kasi nga maliban sa mga malls to, and I think there are about over 100 malls who are participating. Meron po din tayong mga coliseum, gymnasium, mga 100 ano pa, yung maganda yung ano yung binigay mong papel kanina. Basketball courts, plazas, covered courts, gymnasiums, yan. So, kumbaga ba, iba't ibang mga lugar na malalapit sa ating mga botante para nga mas madali sa kanila na sila ay magparehistro. So, ibibigay namin yung details nito sa inyo mamaya. Also, our voters can check this site at our website at comelec.gov.ph. Yes. As I said, we're very pleased with the outcome. At kumbaga nga, sabi ko, na-maintain natin yung masaya at malapiestang atmosphere, but at the same time, mas maayos. At maraming nagsabi sa akin na mas maayos daw yung pagpa-file this year kesa nung mga nakalipas na mga halala. Well, siguro yung media kailangan... Well, titignan natin. No? Well, first of all, ito yung kailangan mas well-ventilated. Oo. Tapos din, maganda naman yung tama yung ginawa nating setup na iba dapat yung lugar sa pag-file versus yung ang pagharap sa media. Can you imagine kung lahat kayo nandun sa loob ng opisinang yon? Talagang, kasi we also have to take into account nga na dumami na rin yung media eh. Kung kaya, kailangan kayong ma-accommodate. But siguro in 2019, baka naman James, iba na yung opisina ng COMELEC. Baka mas malaki na. So kakayanin na namin kayo.
Sir, may I just ask, what are our rules for substitution? Can anyone who filed COC can be substituted by anyone from the same party?
Dapat same party. That person who will be substituted has to withdraw, and there has to be a new CONA, Certificate of Nomination and Acceptance, by the person who will be substituting before December 10. So that is the deadline because we need to finalize our list of candidates by December 10.
Sir, no extensions yon until
No
December.
extensions. Nakita nyo naman kanina, alas 5, impunto, tapos. Hindi natin pwede pong extend nga kasi yung pagpiprint ng ating mga balota, it is precinct specific. In an automated elections, as you know, the names of the candidates will be printed in the ballot. So we have a schedule that we need to follow. Wala namang reported incidents. Kaya ito pong susunod na linggo, pupunta po rito yung aming mga iba't ibang field officials, yung ating mga regional election directors, mga provincial election supervisors at mga election officers. Dadalhin nila yung mga COC na kanilang nakolekta. Well, ang mangyayari po niyan ay yung NBank, COMELEC NBank, titignan kung on its face at kami po ay magmi-meeting sa Martes at we will make the appropriate recommendation after reading this petition. Bigay natin yung makapal. Yun lang please lang ako, ang aking pakiusap nga, let's emphasize itong voter registration and filing yung biometrics validation. Kasi napakahalaga niyan eh.